What are you doing?
Walking my dog, or she's walking me. Poppy! Poppy! Don't you dare make me fall again. Don't you dare. Where's she going? Come on, Poppy! Where are you going?
Full
I'm just gonna try to act
left.
casual. I'm gonna try to act casual, but it's hard to.
We're going to the left anyways.
Why is she so strong?
Isn't it a pretty evening?
It's a pretty dog, but a strong dog.
What'd you do at gymnastics?
I learned how to do a back handspring by myself.
Ooh! How awesome. And our coach gave her extra time to practice.
There's a car.
No one told me there's a car about to hit me.
Speed bump.
Isn't it a beautiful day?
Good.
Josie, let me have her.
Okay.
Don't let go.
Poppy, come on.
Can I have her back?
Yeah. That was scary.
Every day is scary for me.
You're gonna get tangled.
Going with her.
How she gonna bark at someone right in their face like that?
I know.
Walking. Poppy.
She says, come on, let's go.
Oh, you're strong.
What else can we talk about?
I don't know. Oh, this dog. Poppy. Don't you dare make me fall again. Don't you dare.
Remember, Josie, you gotta walk the dog. Don't let the dog walk you.
Okay. How about I run the dog?
This is our nightly walk. And it's so nice right now. It's not hot, it's not cold, it's not windy. Josie wanted to make a my dog walking me part 2. This is only your second time to walk her.
Yes.
'Cause look how big that doggy is.
Take your doggy. Take your doggy. Pet her.
I'll pet you. I'll pet you.
Oh.
I don't know how to pet dogs.
I'm gonna do a little detour.
Don't take shortcuts.
Maybe you'll go to the destination detour and shortcut.
It is. Should I go in? Is she tangled? Tangled and mangled.
Fixed it.
Oh, Poppy was so pooped out last time.
She was like this.
She was. I think I got a picture of it.
Pokey. Let's poke you.
No, ma'am. Owie! Ow!
Poke.
Owie! Gotta go this way. They see car rolling, they hate turn.
Pop, why are you so strong? You were calm a minute ago, but now you're strong. Run! I'm sorry.
Well, thank you for coming back to Josie's Sunny Day YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, ring-a-ling the bell, leave a comment, say hi. She did not like that. She yelled at you.
Get up,